Hello viewers, welcome to this new video. Today I will show you how to wirelessly display on a Panasonic projector. You can connect the laptop with the projector through a wireless dongle which comes with Panasonic projector, and this is also a Panasonic dongle. So we will learn how to connect multimedia projector with laptop through wireless dongle. So you don't need to connect an HDMI cable, VGA cable. So first I will show you what we will need. We need this dongle, Panasonic ET-WML100E wireless module, this one. So we have this dongle and we have this multimedia projector PT LB-355, and you can see here we have a USB-A port and viewer wireless USB port here. So if your projector has this port, you can connect your laptop wirelessly with this dongle. So we can just check this dongle. This is the dongle, wireless dongle. It's like a USB device. This is the USB dongle. So we'll connect this dongle over here, and just I will okay, now this is okay. So now we will turn on this multimedia projector. Check it. After a while, this dongle's blue light will start light up. Once the projector start display on the screen, we will then configure this wireless dongle with the laptop. You can see the multimedia projector started and the wireless dongle started blinking. So it means the wireless dongle is ready, and the display also started. Okay, now the wireless dongle is connected at the multimedia projector. Is showing the wireless dongle details. So the password, projector name, IP address wired, and IP address wireless. So now what we need to do, we need to connect this wireless dongle from laptop. First, let's check it. This is shown. This one, network, display. Now it's connected. So now what we need to do is we need to access this IP address 172.2.8.121. So let's put this IP in the okay. Now see 172.2.8.121. So you can check. We have a window, and in this window you need to download a small utility from this website, Panasonic website. So click on download. You can download presenter light windows from here. Okay, now it is asking to keep or remove. Just press keep, and now we have this presenter light is downloaded. So you can just extract this here, open the folder. Here we have the utility. You will need to run this presenter now. Okay, now let's try to connect our projector for display from this utility. You can see still there is no display and this dongle is blinking. Just go to search. You can just connect in two ways. You can put the IP address over there in this box, or you can just start search, so it will find the projector around. Okay, now what it's saying, are you sure to connect to PT LB-355? So it has found this projector through this wireless dongle, and now we will click on the OK. Okay, again now it is asking for the password. Which password you need to put? This password you need to put 3855. 3855. Okay, now you check, it will check. Now we have received the laptop screen on our wireless dongle. Just minimize this software and do your activity, whatever you want to do. Okay, now let's start a video from YouTube. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Okay, sorry it was disconnected. Now I have reconnected. You can see our laptop screen over there. You can just type, you can just watch any YouTube video. Okay, okay, you cannot do any activity from internet because our laptop is connected to this wireless dongle wirelessly. Our laptop is not connected to internet router, so you need to just present on a thing from your laptop. If there's something downloaded, or you have a PDF file, whatever. Just let's download a PDF file. You can see we have opened the document and the document is over there. Look at this. So this was the procedure to connect your laptop with the projector wirelessly. You can see we don't have connected any kind of cable. So you can see this is my laptop and this is the projector. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if it is helpful for you, just like the video and subscribe to the channel.